We are in Verrado at a custom home build that we've gotten started. So we are real close to getting drywall up on the walls. But you'll have an opportunity to kind of see all of the insides of the walls, the plumbing, electrical, HVAC. This particular house also has fire suppression, so we can kind of walk through that. This is unique in that we have a main house, we have a garage and casita, and we have a future music studio going in this particular house. We'll walk in through the front door, or the future front door here. So in here is a grand entry. Off to the left is the dining room and wine room. We have 16-foot ceilings with clear story windows, and we will be running beams across here as well. We've also walked into the kitchen, and then kitchenette or eat-in kitchen. This is the main living room. This will be a beautiful built-in TV cabinet wall. The office over here will have gorgeous custom barn doors. All of the bedrooms are on this side of the house. So we have a storage closet. This is a guest bath. Kind of hard to see it all come together at this stage, but here's one of the bedrooms. A nice feature with this home is this is the laundry room, and you continue from the laundry room into the master closet. This is the master closet in here with the master bedroom here. They'll have this beautiful picture window into their backyard when all is completed and landscaped, and then that gorgeous mountain view off to their right just a little bit. Split here. This is one bedroom with these gorgeous picture windows up here that they'll be able to see the mountains all the time. This is a window that will open. This is the bathroom, so you have sink, toilet, and we have a depressed shower, so when this is complete, there will be no step. That'll be completely flush across there. A zero entry shower. Closet is this room. This also has a sub panel for electrical, which will eventually go in there. And then this is the second guest bedroom, same gorgeous window, and private bath as well with a tub. One had a tub and one had a shower. And this is another house that we built, which we have built several that have en-suites or mother-in-law's casita. We looked at one earlier today. So this is how we get to Grandma's house. This is kind of a breezeway, a transition area. So you're coming in from, this will be a large carport, and we'll take another view from it here. So you can come in from the carport. You have kind of this mudroom area, which you can go into the main house, or you can go in to the garage. So it's a 4-car garage. And then you can also go to the casita, which will be behind the garage. So we have a separate entrance to the casita. And we have a large sitting room, still maximizing that wonderful view. This is the kitchen with a nice long peninsula. This will be a little stackable washer and dryer. We'll slide in here. This is the bathroom. So again, we have a depressed shower pan here, or shower floor, so that will be no step, smooth transition walking into the shower. Vanity, toilet, and bedroom is right around the corner here. So this is set up for a pocket door. So the reason we put a pocket door here, or it was designed for a pocket door, is so she can utilize this space, because this is going to be a little dressing table, a vanity and makeup counter. This is her closet and her bedroom. So this is another entrance to the side yard and to the garage. So she really has two entrances, both with access to the garage. So if she has her vehicle, this could easily be her stall in the garage. And she will have her own private patio here on this side. So she can enjoy her morning coffee, and the rest of the family can be on their patio if they want their own privacy. Yes, and this music studio, like he said, it involves a lot of extra steps. There's some different experts that he brings in because there's so many things to consider with regard to sound. You know, if the air kicks on while they're in the middle of recording, they don't want to be able to pick up that noise. So this is something that he'll probably continue to work on as he moves into the house. We'll finish it on the outside and finish it to an extent, and then he'll probably complete it after he moves in.